Hi guys, so I'm here today to give you a quick review on the Newtrent iPad 1 and 2 Air Retina case. So what's my first review on the external part of the case. It's robust, definitely going to protect your iPad. I find that there's a lot going on with the case. I find that it's not a very feminine case, so it wouldn't necessarily appeal to everybody. It's not aesthetically pleasing, I suppose is what I'm trying to say. So when you first open the case, there's this small rubber snap, which I find to be quite strange. I'm not sure why they didn't create, some kind of, basically an easier way to open it. So once you get that open, it's very stiff to open. That's one of my main concerns was that it's very stiff. It's not like I expect it to open like a laptop would open, but you need force in it. It gives you that feeling that you need to lubricate the hinges. So that wasn't a good first impression for me. But one thing I do love about it is the keyboard. I love the option to rotate it. I love the option. Another option that you can do is you just clip these two things, and there you go. Your iPad case comes apart, so you can just use it separately when you don't need the keyboard, and it's pretty easy to put back on. It's just like that. Now, if you want to actually use the keyboard with the iPad in a comfortable standing position, there's a clip here. You pull back. You push this out, you let go of the clip, and then you pull this out, and it clips basically into place, and then it allows you to put this at a comfortable viewing angle. I find the case to be a little bit bulky, again, in the sense that I don't feel like you need all this extra room to support your iPad. It kind of felt bulky when I was trying to, because sometimes I like to use my iPad along with my computer, and I find it to take up a lot of room. And I was reverting back to my old case, so I'll quickly show you how the keyboard works. So I already have it connected. It's pretty easy to connect, and it stays connected for the most part. If you turn it on and off, sometimes you'll find yourselves having to go back into the settings, but that only happened once to me. The overall feel of the keyboard, it feels great. There's good pressure with each key. It has all the options you need. You can turn up the brightness of the screen, and you can cut, copy, paste, play music, pause your music. You can turn your volume up. So it has a lot of the quick features. So you don't need to go back to your keyboard, but say you wanted to go to your keyboard for some emojis, you can still do that. So yeah, the keyboard itself is great. It's affordable. So I can definitely see why you would buy it. But one of my problems was with the case was the fact that the iPad 2 does not fit snugly into the case. It is advertised to fit with, but sometimes I find that the iPad 2 Retina is falling out. I can sort of show you there. It just doesn't. You can push it around, and it just doesn't have that nice snug feel. But apart from that, if you're looking for a case with a good keyboard that will, you can have all these different positions that can double up as a separate case, buy it. If you want something that's a little bit tidier, I maybe would go look in the market for something else. But I hope you enjoyed my video. It's the first video review that I have done, and it is an unbiased review. Newtrent provided me with the case to give a review, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye bye.